Hey folks, this is Max. Welcome to another workflows video. So in this video, we're going to continue using the list card, and specifically I'm going to show you how to use the for each, which allows to create a loop. So basically you have a list of values, strings in this case. In our case, we're going to pass them to another flow. And that's going to give us kind of a loop or a for each type functionality. So I've already created both flows. Actually, we're going to build this one, but let me open the helper one first. So the helper one is just has one or two cards if you count the first one. So this one is a helper flow, right? So that's the card. And then I have defined one input, which is text. And then all it does is that it sends the message to Slack, right? And then I've used the Slack bot option here. I have an emoji, and we can test this particular card if we want. Well, actually, we can test the entire flow. Let's do that. So we can say hello from helper flow and click run test. All right, and we can see right here that the flow works. All right, so this is the helper flow. Again, this is the one that's going to participate in the loop. Okay, so let's go back. Now it's important that the helper flow is on. So again, we want to make sure that it's on, or you'll get an error if you try to invoke a flow that's not on. But let's go here and let's open this one. So this one we're going to build. First, we are going to create the list, and notice you can search for cards here, which is very handy. So construct, and we're going to create a list, just some grocery items and bread. Right now, the next step, the next card will be we want to call that helper flow, right? And to do that, we're going to add function, and then this is for each. And so this is the one. This is so process each item on the list. And we're going to take the list from the previous card and map it like this. And now next step is to choose the flow that we want to run. And this is the one we want. All right. And then once we do that, it actually it knows the input that the helper flow expects, and then it shows this input, which I'm going to select item. So this is basically the current item on the list. Now, in our case, it's just a string or a text, but you could pass objects, or you could, sorry, not pass, but you could have objects in the list. And then you don't have to pass the entire object. You can just pass, for example, a particular field from the object to the helper. So that's where this would be useful. Okay, I think that's it. Let's save. And let's turn this on. We can just go back here. Again, both flows are on. So let's open this again, and let's test. So again, we have a list, calls the helper, and then we should see 3 messages in Slack. All right. And looks like we've got success here. And let's see Slack. And yep, we've got 3 messages, right? The 3 items from the list. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you in this particular video. Again, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.